Prep for Thanksgiving with me. It is 9 p.m. the night before Thanksgiving and I've done nothing, so cheers. First, we're making beignet dough. We always have beignets Thanksgiving morning. 3/4 cup of really warm water, but not hot. And then we're adding a packet of active dry yeast. Then we're gonna whisk this up really good and let it sit for like 5 minutes till it's kind of bubbly. Okay, it's 5 minutes later and we're back. I don't know if you can tell, but we got some bubbles going on in here. So now I'm gonna add 1/2 a cup of evaporated milk, 1 egg, 1/3 cup of sugar, some vanilla, salt, just a little, and then we whisk this up. Okay, next I'm adding 2 cups of flour, and then I'm gonna bring this over to my stand mixer so my stand mixer can do the work. Okay, my stand mixer has been working hard today. She's dirty. Alright, you can use your whisk attachment for these first couple cups, but then you're going to want to switch to your dough hook. Going to add in 1 more cup of flour. And mix. Okay, from here we're going to just add in 1/4 a cup at a time until we've reached our dough consistency. Adding another one. And another. We're almost there, but not quite. So now I've added 4 cups total. There's our dough. Lastly, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of melted butter. And mixing one more time. All right, and finally we're left with this smooth dough. And this is what it is like. It's not sticky at all. So now if you're making this in the morning, you can leave this out on your counter to rise for a couple hours until it's doubled in size. I actually let mine rise in the fridge overnight, and then I will just take it out in the morning and you'll see. I take it out and I just let it kind of come to room temperature, and then we make beignets. So I'm gonna cover this with saran wrap and just put it in the fridge overnight to rise. And that's that. All right, now into my pantry. It's a mess in here, don't judge it. I'm gonna grab the gravy. I'm just kind of setting out everything I need so it's ready to go. Don't judge me. I'm not making things from scratch this year. I'm doing easy. We're having a big dinner on Saturday at my mom's. But I still want to do a Thanksgiving tomorrow. So grabbing stuffing. I think that's it. I'm just gonna leave them out on the counter so they're ready. And then I also pulled these mashed potatoes out of my freezer a little bit ago. I'm gonna go see if I have a couple more of these. I did not have any more mashed potatoes in my freezer, so I'm setting these out to remind myself to make some more mashed potatoes in the morning, and I'm just gonna make it in the morning and then put it all in my crock pot.
And I'm sassy and upset and not a good time for film. Are you kidding me or what?
All right, now I'm gonna prep part of the banana cream pie. Banana cream pie for you.
I know. That looks
You're
dead.
getting a little bit of a broken crust. Can you see that?
Broken crust for a broken soul.
Okay.
Hi.
Oh, why thank you. Oh, is that for you? All right. I like to slice up my bananas and line this whole thing. We like bananas. My sister is making, actually she already made, apple pie and a pumpkin pie. So I'm doing banana cream because that is my husband's favorite. And other people's favorite too, actually. My favorite is pumpkin. Boom. That's that. I actually like to put them here on the sides too. Like that. Then we're gonna mix up this banana cream pie filling, pudding. Surprise, I'm going to the store because they close in 15 minutes And I just found out we have no ginger ale, and I want to make punch for tomorrow. I got what I needed, plus some. And now we go home because I guess that my kids want to put on a show for me. All right, they're not ready for their show yet. They had to practice one more time, so I'm gonna quick finish this pie. Oops. You're ready for the show? Fantastic, I'll be right there. I'm doing whole milk because I want it to be nice and thick. I just picture my husband making some joke there. Hold on, Harley, I'll let you out in a second. Okay, and now we're gonna pour it over the bananas and put it in the fridge until morning. And then we'll add some more bananas. Oh, that was kind of clumpy. Well, might not be. I'm just not gonna tell my husband. We're gonna go watch this dance show and probably call it a night. Are you guys ready for me to come down?
Yeah.
Yeah, here I come. Woo!